Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody's doing well. Now today I'm making a marshmallow fridge tart. Please give this video a like, I would really appreciate it, and you would be supporting my channel. Now in my bowl, I've already added 250 ml of cream. And I'm going to add another 250 ml. So in all you will use 500 ml. 2 cups of fresh cream. And I'm just going to whip this up. Okay, so once your cream is nicely whipped, I'm just going to place it aside. So now using a different bowl, I'm going to add about 280 grams of crushed pineapple that is drained, or the full tin. The full tin is 430 grams, 32 grams, but once it's drained, it's 281 grams. So that is the amount of crushed pineapple. And I'm going to add a full can of sweetened condensed milk. Now this is a really nice dessert, especially with this hot weather that we're having. I'm just mixing up my pineapple and condensed milk, and then I'm going to add half a cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Now with the lemon juice, it's entirely to your taste. If you would like it a bit more tart, you can add a bit more. If you don't like it as tart, you can add less. Then I'm going to add about 2 packets of marshmallows. I could only find 1 packet of the mini ones. I could only find 1 packet of the mini ones. And then I just bought a normal one and just chopped it up. So in total, it's about 300 grams. But of course, like I said, if you want to add less, then you can. And I'm just going to add it straight to my whipped cream. once it's nicely folded together, I'm just going to place a layer of tennis biscuits. So now I'm just going to layer some tennis biscuits. Now what you could also do is use your pineapple juice and just dunk them in before you place them in your dish. Now I'm just going to add my filling or my pudding mix. Now you can just add your entire mixture straight onto the biscuit. But I'm just going to do an extra layer in the middle. And then I'm just going to top it with the last of my mixture. So now I'm just going to place it in the fridge for a few hours, just until it's nice and set. And that is it, guys, my pineapple and marshmallow fridge tart. I've just crumbed up some extra biscuits and just scrambled it on top. Please give this video a like, I would really appreciate it. Subscribe if you're new, and if you haven't already, click the bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.